Meet. He is happy to meet his cousin. Meat. She cooked meat for the dinner. Flower. The flower is very pretty. Flour. I need flour to make bread. Waste. The bin is full of waste. Waist. He tied a belt around his waist. Break. Don't break the bottle. Brake. Press the brake to stop the car. Sunday. I sleep late on Sunday. Sunday. She ordered a chocolate sundae. One. There is only one chair in the room. One. He won a prize in the game. Male. He is the only male in the group. Male. She sent me a mail. Sea. The sea is big and blue. Sea. I see a dog in the park. Leak. The pipe has a leak. Leak. I added leek to the soup. Week. There are 7 days in a week. Week. He is an old weak man. Hi. Hi, how are you? Hi, that mountain is very high. Sun. The sun is bright today. Son. His son is 5 years old.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English lessons. See you in the next video. Happy learning!